How to mute somebody's notes on Instagram. Hey guys, so in this video today, I'll be showing you how you can actually mute somebody's notes. So I'll show you guys step by step on how you can actually mute them. And whenever you actually do want to see their notes again, that you can unmute them as well. So I'll show you guys both of those ways. So let's go ahead and get right into it here. So firstly, if you want to mute somebody, you're going to want to head over to your direct messages section here. Now you can see that there's somebody right here that posted an emoji with the $sign right here. So basically, if you want to go ahead and mute like a message like that or a note, just go ahead and hold their profile picture until you get these three options that do pop up. Now, just go ahead and click the second option in the middle that says mute notes. And once you go ahead and do that, it should give you another page right here that says mute notes. Just go ahead and click on it here. And once you go ahead and do that, that should actually go ahead and mute their notes. So basically, that's how you mute notes on Instagram. Now, let's say that you want to unmute them and you actually miss their posts or notes. So basically, all you have to do is look for the person's profile or whatever their at is on Instagram and head over to their profile. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click it right here. You guys can see, and you're going to want to go ahead and click the following button right here, and there should be a button that says mute. Now, if you want to unmute their notes, all you have to do is just go ahead and click the mute button here and then uncheck notes, and that'll go ahead and unmute them. And basically, that'll go ahead and unmute their whole entire notes, so you'll be able to see them again. So that's essentially how you do it. 2 ways in 2 videos. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And have a fantastic day, everybody, and I'll see you guys until next time.